Hello everyone, good evening. You're watching News Track Bihar edition and I'm Maria Shakil. In Battle for Bihar, the war of words is as intense as the battle for votes. You are hearing a lot of rhetoric, lot of attacks and counter-attacks from both the sides. In 24 hours, the campaigning for the first phase will come to an end. Today, it was Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on ground zero here in Bihar, campaigning for the BJP, asking for votes. And as always, he gave some sharp one-liners. There came a rebuttal from the other side. Let's see this package which sums up the war of words playing out in Bihar.
Bihar voters will exercise their franchise in phase 1 of the assembly elections. Big guns from each camp are booming. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath took a dig at Mahagathbandhan and drew Gandhiji's monkey analogy, taking Pappu, Tappu and Appu jibe at Rahul, Tejashwi and Akhilesh.
लेकिन आज इंडी गठबंधन के 3 और बंदर आ गए। ये 3 बंदर पप्पू, टप्पू और अप्पू के नाम पर। पप्पू सच बोल नहीं सकता, टप्पू अच्छा देख नहीं सकता और अप्पू सच सुन नहीं सकता।
For NDA, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is leading the charge, cornering Mahagathbandhan over Jungle Raj.
एनडीए की पहचान विकास से है और आरजेडी कांग्रेस की पहचान विनाश से है।
Launching an attack at Congress, Prime Minister Modi reminded people of Bihar how the state was ignored during the UPA era.
इन्होंने दिल्ली सरकार में बैठ करके मनमोहन सिंह जी और सोनिया जी की बगल में बैठ करके बिहार का बदला लेना शुरू किया। नीतीश बाबू की सरकार का बदला लेना शुरू कर दिया और इन्होंने क्या किया, जितने बिहार के लोगों की भलाई के प्रोजेक्ट थे, ये सारे प्रोजेक्ट पर ताले लगा दिए।
Just a day after Prime Minister Modi fired Katta salvo at the Mahagathbandhan, now the opposition bloc is up in arms.
कांग्रेस की कनपट्टी पर कट्टा रखकर मुख्यमंत्री की उम्मीदवारी का वो प्रचार का वो जो हथियार था ना, वो भी चोरी कर लिया।
Mahagathbandhan Chief Minister faced Tejashwi Yadav alleged that Prime Minister Modi insulted the people of Bihar by the Katta attack, especially when in Gujarat he speaks on microchips.
जिसकी जैसी सोच है उसकी वैसी भावना है और वैसे ही कहते हैं वैसे ही करते हैं। हो सकता है कि औरों को गठबंधन में जोड़ने के लिए उन्होंने कट्टा जो है जोड़ लगाया होगा। खैर, हमको इस पे कोई टिप्पा टिप्पणी नहीं करना है, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री जी की भाषा सुनिए। आज तक हम किसी प्रधानमंत्री को इस तरह की भाषा हम लोगों ने नहीं देखी है।
Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge too hit back at Prime Minister Modi and claimed that Congress has a different mindset.
बंदूक लेके तुम्हारे को चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाओ कहता भी नहीं और कहेगा भी नहीं। कांग्रेस ऐसे चीज़ों को कभी किसी के साथ व्यवहार नहीं किया। ये मोदी जी इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री होके ऐसी बातें करते हैं तो मुझे हंसी आती है।
Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra advised Prime Minister Modi to stop heaping insults on opposition.
प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो समय है वो रोजगार दिलवाने में, विकास लाने में, बड़े बड़े उद्योगों को लगवाने में लगना चाहिए। इसीलिए मेरा सुझाव ये है कि वो एक नया मंत्रालय बना दें और उसका नाम रखें अपमान मंत्रालय। वो बड़ी बड़ी सूचियां निकाल देते हैं कि हमें इसने गाली दी, उसने गाली दी, इसने हमारा अपमान किया, तो खुद क्या बैठ के सूची बनाएंगे, अपमान मंत्रालय बना देगा।
With the silent period to be in place in less than 48 hours, the poll fever is expected to soar further. With Rohit Singh in Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.
And Samajwadi Party Supremo and former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav has now responded to what Yogi Adityanath has said. Let's listen in to what Akhilesh said. He's here responding to Yogi Adityanath saying that there are three monkeys which are now campaigning in Bihar, which is Pappu, Tappu and Appu.
कि गप्पू की चंपू नहीं करना चाहिए, निपटाने की बात कर रहे थे। बीजेपी गप्पुओं का मामला है, बीजेपी में गप्पू है, बोले हम चांद पे प्लॉट दिला देंगे, आपको 15 लाख अकाउंट में पहुंचा देंगे, कितने करोड़ नौकरी दे देंगे। ये अमेरिका से ठोकर खाए हुए लोग हैं, अमेरिका इन्हें डरा रहा है, इसलिए चुनाव में इनके नाकामी पर बहस न हो, इसलिए ये इस तरह की लैंग्वेज कर रहे हैं। इस बीजेपी में बड़े बड़े गप्पू हैं और उनके चप्पू हैं हमारे।
So, Battle of Bihar is now between Appu, Pappu, Tappu and Gappu and Chappu. That's how it's playing out between the opposition and the NDA. Let me bring in the guests. Manish Baria representing the BJP, Dr. Karna Sagar of the Congress Party, Pooja Patrick of the JDU, Kanchana Yadav of the RJD. Manish Baria, issues of the people of Bihar is lost in this rhetoric.
Good evening to you and my good evening to co-panelists and all the viewers. I think the Prime Minister is raising, as well as our Home Minister and Nitish ji. So what we understand is that, जो ऐसा हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि प्रत्यक्ष को प्रमाण नहीं. So the whole of the state and the country has to see what kind of development, and people are aware of it. And I think in every, Jan Sabha, the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, as well as the Chief Minister, they have been telling a lot what they have done, and they have also given a roadmap for the further progress of Bihar. I would like to just, remind through you, the viewers, that this year in 25-26, the GDSP growth rate of Bihar is 22 to 26%, as per NK Singh's article, just recent article that has come. That's the kind of development we are talking. So therefore, the agenda has always been on the growth and development. It is the opposition which keeps targeting Prime Minister. Somebody says that he is dancing, somebody someday would say yoga. Then what do you expect? Right? He would get a reply. And that is why I say that Tappu ke shaadi mein,
so then you are saying
that is how it is happening. What is he doing here in Bihar?
NDA is essentially responding to what Mahagathbandhan's charges. Dr. Karna Sagar, it's about the language which is being used in this election, similar to multiple elections that we have covered, and there is low with every passing election. So certainly when it is about the political class, they're not failing to surprise us.
Thank you, Maria. Good evening to you, to your viewers and my fellow panelists. Bihar has endured 20 years of Nitish Kumar's failed promises and 11 years of Modi's trouble engine government, both draining the state's potential and betraying its people. Maria, you come from Bihar. Have you ever heard a Prime Minister coming and talking about Vinash, talking about Katta, talking about Kanpatti? For the uninitiated, let me translate. Kanpatti means temple and Katta means local-made firearms, country-made firearms. So that kind of, that is basically mocking. And Yogi Adityanath has gone a step forward and talking about monkeys. and Appu, Gappu, Shappu, I do not know what the hell he is talking about. But that is mocking these 14 crore Biharis. The Biharis take the election very seriously, take the whole process seriously, take the debate seriously, and somebody bringing down this debate to this level. And the Prime Minister has this habit. First, he talks
Pooja
this kind
Patrick,
of a gutter language.
The language in this election only seems to be hitting new lows, and it appears that nobody is, and all political parties have decided that they will not mind their language. That if it is about katta, then they'll have to take it further up, and then there'll be another counter which will be equally rhetorical and equally sharp. And humiliating at the same time.
In the history of this country, we have never seen a Prime Minister using such language about opposition.
Okay, that's a question to Pooja Patrick, please.
Sonia
that's
Gandhi,
a question to Pooja Patrick. Please
okay,
Maria.
Let
me go to the two women as well, sir.
Maria, see,
yes.
whatever PM Modi has said from the campaign stage is the language what the Mahagathbandhan understands, I would say. Mahagathbandhan is the one who brought all the concept of this, the words that were used by the Prime Minister, katta, kanpatti and all. These are the things which was brought by the Mahagathbandhan. Mahagathbandhan has always been an industry of loot, industry of kidnapping, industry of ransom, industry of rape. And Tejasvi Yadav, when he said, when their manifesto was taken out, he said, just give me 20 months of time and you will see that the industries are established in Bihar. So these are the industries which the Mahagathbandhan is talking about. The industry of loot, ransom, kidnapping, rape, caste genocide, now and the Charvaha Vidyalayas they talk about. So this is the industry. So our Prime Minister, our Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, our Home Minister Amit Shah tells the reality.
Pooja, my point is, you have been in power for 20 years. What are the industries that you have established? You know, the government of the day has to give its report card. Because you have been in power for 20 years. It's opposition's job to make promises. Whether they'll deliver will only be post-election. So we'll be asking questions to Tejasvi Yadav on what he has done or whether he has delivered or not post-elections. If he once wins power, for you, for 20 years, what have you done?
Maria, it is a known fact that when Bihar was partitioned, and Jharkhand came, many of the factories and many of the industries went into Jharkhand. But there are many factories still, Maria, that are there. For example, the Varun Beverages factory is there at Barauni. The Parle-G factory at Hajipur is there. Then the Shri Cement factory is there. The solar power plant, which has been now come, that is also giving employment to the people of Bihar here. So we are on the path of making Bihar an industrial state.
Okay, so you have, for 20 years, you have generated limited options for Biharis. You are asking for another 5. Kanchana, one moment. No, one moment. Let Kanchana come in. Let Kanchana come in.
You have given a verdict without listening
Kanchana, the fear of Jungle Raj. She has made a point. I have not given any verdict. You have to be patient, Mr. Manish. Kanchana, the fear of Jungle Raj is something that you hear on the ground. That unfortunately, Bihar today is caught in the memories. They are talking about what Nitish has done and what used to happen during alleged Jungle Raj days of Lalu Yadav.
मारिया जी, मैं भी बिहार में हूँ, like you are in the बिहार, और ग्राउंड पे ऐसा कुछ जंगल राज जैसा चल नहीं रहा है. एंड अपोजिशन क्या समझता है दैट लैंग्वेज प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल बी यूजिंग? नो, प्राइम मिनिस्टर के पास बोलने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. दैट्स हिज लेवल, द बेस्ट लेवल ही कैन डिलीवर इन बिहार. कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी, आपने कभी सुना है कि कोई भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर पहले कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी बोल रहा हो, कोई प्राइम मिनिस्टर पहले मुजरा बोल रहा हो? तो बिहार को हम लोग उसी लैंग्वेज में डिलीवर कर रहे हैं जिस लैंग्वेज में बिहार के लोग सब बसते हैं. लेकिन मोदी जी बिहार का अपमान कर रहे हैं. उनको लगता है कि ये अस्तर है बिहार का, जो मोदी जी का खुद अस्तर है. कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी करके वो शायद मुख्यमंत्री जब थे गुजरात के, वहां से आए होंगे वो दंगा करा के आए होंगे, हजारों की जान लेकर आए होंगे, एंड यही उनको समझ में आ रहा है कि यहाँ पर आकर कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी बोलो और जंगल राज बोलो। ग्राउंड पे कुछ भी, कुछ भी जंगल राज जैसा नहीं है।
Manish respond. Manish.
मारिया जी, जिसकी
Okay,
पार्टी
let's
के
have Manish and
समर्थक
Kanchana on the screen now. Yes.
जिसके पार्टी के समर्थक ने 20 साल 15 साल तक कनपट्टी पर कट्टा लगा लगा के लोगों का अपहरण किया, लोगों को मर्डर किया, उसके बारे में क्या कह सकते हैं? और जिसके पार्टी के समर्थक आज भी कई तरह के गीत जो है आप बिहार में देख सकते हैं, पार्टी समर्थक कर रहे हैं कि कट्टा लेके घूमेंगे हम जब पावर में आएंगे। तो ये क्या है? तो आप पहले तो अपने अंदर झांकिए ना कि आपके पार्टी के समर्थक और आपके समर्थक कौन लोग हैं और किस तरह की भाषा का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। उसके बाद तो आप किसी के पास आइए। किसी से छुपा हुआ है कि आप अपहरण का इंडस्ट्री आपके समय में था कि नहीं? किसी से छुपा हुआ है कि मुख्यमंत्री के आवास में अपहरण की गाड़ी जो है,
लेकिन आपने तो बदल दिया ना
की गाड़ी वहां थी, तो आप क्या बात करेंगे?
आप लोगों ने तो बदल दिया ना। You guys, you have promised.
लेकिन हम लोग,
you have promised
that government out here, and our duty for people to remind them that look, this is what their चाल चरित्र और चेहरा। और प्रधानमंत्री तो सही कर रहे हैं, बिहारियों को बचा रहे हैं उनसे। कट्टा वाले लोग हैं तो कट्टा वाले लोग सुनने में बुराई क्यों लगती है?
ऑडियो इशू, बट हाँ मारिया जी, मेरे पास ऑडियो इशू हो रहा है अभी, बट ये बिहार का विकास है। यस, राइट नाउ मैं अभी बाहर से डिबेट में जुड़ रही हूँ, जानते हैं क्यों? बिकॉज लाइट नहीं है यहाँ पर, एंड दैट्स देयर डेवलपमेंट, है ना, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डेवलपमेंट, रोड, दे टॉक अबाउट एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, बट लाइट नहीं है। मैं बाहर से डिबेट में जुड़ रही हूँ और ये इनका विकास है। और ये बिहार में आकर किस बात पे बात कर रहे हैं? जॉब पे बात कर रहे हैं क्या? फैक्ट्री, अमित शाह जी से पूछा गया था कि आपने फैक्ट्री 20 साल में क्यों नहीं दिया? उन्होंने बोला कि देयर इज नो लैंड अवेलेबल। और ये जमीन, बिहार इतना बड़ा स्टेट है, यहाँ इनको जमीन नहीं मिली कि यूनिवर्सिटी बना सके, इनको जमीन नहीं बनी कि मिली कि फैक्ट्री बना सके। इतना बिलो करना चाहते हैं कि जिसके बिलो जाकर अपोजिशन इन पे अटैक भी नहीं कर सके, इतना बिलो ये अपना अटैक करेंगे कि अपोजिशन वहां पर जाकर उतना बिलो अटैक भी नहीं कर सके। और फिर जितना भी बिलो ये अटैक करेंगे, हमारे मैनिफेस्टो पे रहेगा कि हम क्या करेंगे काम। We don't care about their jungle raj or their.
So you will be sticking to your manifesto. Manish, I've been traveling Bihar across the state. What is surprising is, yes, there are roads and highways, but when it is other issues of livelihood, it's not there. When it is about bijli, electricity, people are still struggling. That is also the fact. So, when will Bihar move beyond bijli, sadak, pani to other issues, to issues of aspirations, to issues which will shape Bihar at par with other developed states of India?
Maria ji, if you look at the GDP growth of Bihar, and you know that the GDP growth of Bihar for last 20 years has been in top 5. Last year was also, it was second. Now, I'm really surprised when you use the tone, बिजली सड़क Bihar. अरे इन्होंने तो बिजली भी नहीं दी ना, ये कैसे बात कर रही है? 22% बिजली थी जब ये लोग यहाँ पर थे। Now नीतीश जी said कि जब हम लोग आएंगे तो 100% के बिना तो हम कैंपेन ही नहीं करेंगे। Last time we achieved that 100%, and then we started campaigning. That is what we are talking about. People are talking about roads, and now let me tell you, you would know that there were no social schemes. Just let me complete 5 seconds. There is the empowerment of people on social front. There is the empowerment of women. Major empowerment of women has happened. Industries. There were no enabling factors for industries. How will you bring industries if you don't have electricity and if you don't have law and order? Once these were done, and there are a number of MSMEs,
so you are for 20 years creating that enabling environment, and then you are now seeking that people should trust you for another 5 years because the enabling environment is on the path to being created. Dr. Karna Sagar, respond.
Industries is growing by 13.2% year after year.
Dr. Karna Sagar, one moment, Manish. Others will have to come in.
Maria, you asked the right question about the aspiration of the Biharis, whether the Biharis need semiconductors or kattas. That the Prime Minister has to decide. And he decides that Gujaratis get the semiconductor and Biharis get the katta. And that is the thought in terms of the double engine sarkar. Bihar once was famous for sugar, paper, jute, silk, dairies, and Congress government has given Barauni refinery, Sindri, and Barauni fertilizer, Barauni dairy, railway wheel, diesel locomotive, and thermal projects.
No, but what happened
All
after
this was
that?
given by the
After Jagannath
Congress
Mishra.
government in,
One moment.
Congress government in Bihar.
What happened after Jagannath Mishra? You're talking about
Everything
Congress.
destroyed.
What about last, then 15 years of Lalu Yadav? What happened then?
Let me, Maria, the BJP spokesperson is talking about the GSDP. He should also read the Niti Aayog report. And the report says that the Biharis have the lowest per capita income. The Biharis have 68,000, whereas the country has more than 1,98,000 rupees. And Biharis have the lowest per capita investment in the country. The number of Biharis who have to go for job is the highest in the country. And
thanks to you, Dr. Karuna. For 70 years, 75 years, that is the state you have left Biharis to. How dare you talk about this? You
I am
destroyed
talking
Bihar,
about what
and
we
then
have
you are
done to
talking
Bihar
about all
for
these
past
things.
20 years. You've been in power for 20 years and you want another 20 years.
We had to do all the groundwork. There were no electricity,
Prime
no
Minister
roads,
comes
no
to
law and
Bihar
order.
and he
How
says
enough
that
industries
I am
will
going
come
to
here?
lay the
Dr.
foundation
Karuna,
stone
nothing
for
was there.
development. So
That's
that
what I'm
means
so
for
shocked
past
that
20
with
years,
what face
there
you
was
come
no
here and talk
development
all these
and
things.
the Prime Minister
You
is still
destroyed Bihar.
planning to lay the
What kind
foundation
of a
stone
local
for
standard
development.
you'd have to
So
talk about
Prime
Bihar?
Minister
You cannot. You do
does
not have any
think
right
that
to
he's
talk
the-
about Bihar and
he is the
development.
Prime
Okay, let me
Minister
bring
of
in
You are
the
Bihar.
two women
responsible
on
for
the
Bihar
show.
being what
Let's
Bihar is
have
right now.
Pooja and Kanchana now. Let's have Pooja and Kanchana now. Pooja, come in.
Yes, Maria, what it is, no? Our fellow spokesperson from Congress
Pooja,
was
go
telling
ahead.
that about the our spokesperson from Congress was telling us about the per capita income. So let me bring the statistics here and let me bring the data here. So I would like to tell him that in 2023, the per capita income was 59,000. In 2024, it was 67,000. And at present, it is 74,000. So what kind of a data he has in his hands, I don't know, Maria. And if we go, let me ask, he was telling about the mills that were closed. So my question to him is that what about that 15 years? What about that 15 years of Lalu Yadav's Sashan? Sakri's sugar mill in 1993, it was shut. Chanpatiya's sugar mill in 1994, it was shut. Motipur, 1997, it was shut. So what kind of, what statement are you making sitting here and you're wanting to generate
Since
a
you've
false
asked those
narrative
questions,
here?
I think it is Kanchana who should respond. Kanchana, those are specific dates on which these factories were shut, and those were the days when Lalu Yadav was the chief minister.
We built many universities and factories under the Lalu Yadav and Rabri Devi's government. Under the Patna State University Act and Bihar State University Act, we built many universities like Bhupen Narayan Mandal universities and Vinoba Bhave universities and many others. ये जद्दी वाले ये बता सकते हैं कि इन्होंने कितनी यूनिवर्सिटी बिल्ड की? No, they can't utter a single university's name because इन्होंने एक भी बनाया ही नहीं है ना. Last time in last election, what Prime Minister Modi ji said? He said the person who is wearing the simple sleepers would be flying in the aeroplane.
No, even I am on the line. I like to come in.
क्या एरोप्लेन में फ्लाई कर रहे हैं? आज ट्रेन की हालत ऐसी है कि दिल्ली से पटना आने के लिए लोगों को वॉशरूम में लैट्रिन में सोकर आना होता है बिहार के लोगों को, और यहाँ आकर मोदी जी कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी की बात करते हैं. मोदी जी
the tradition on my show is that the women always get the last word. So Kanchana has spoken. I'll give the last word to Pooja. Go ahead, 30 seconds to you, and then I wrap up this discussion.
If we talk about the steps that our India government has taken regarding the economic development of Bihar, I would like to ask my opposition spokesperson who are sitting here that do you have any data about the startups that are there? Before 2005, there was zero startup in Bihar, and now after 2005 till 2025, there are more than 5,000 startups. So my fellow Kanchana ji is sitting here. So if you have any data, you can reveal the data here on this live debate. And if you please don't talk about the things that have been done. We also have a long and list of data that are there, which was not done. The work that
we have
was
really
not
come to
done
the end of this discussion. Dr. Karna Sagar, Manish, Pooja and Kanchana, thank you so much for joining us. Of course, there are many such debates which will be continuing over the next few days in the run-up to the first and the second phase, that is on 6th and the 11th. At 10 p.m. on News Track Bihar Edition is a special report.